Goodwill.
Yo, welcome back everyone to my channel. Today, I don't know if obviously you can see what's in front of me right here, but we're doing the first mod to my Subaru WRX. We're getting the Idoing Head Unit, so I'm really excited. You know, I just feel like my head unit in my car right now is, you know, a little subpar, and I want to get subs eventually for my car as well. Yeah, this is gonna be the first modification to my Subaru WRX, and yeah, we got all these items. I'm not gonna lie, it was a little hard for me not to set it up without making this video. I just really want this in my car as soon as possible. But so yeah, we got that wiring harness right here, and then some tools as well. I'm not sure if I'll be using all of these, but we'll definitely see. And then yeah, of course, we got this, the actual head unit itself, right here. And I mean, this thing is like straight up an iPad at this point. So, I mean, for the price, I hope I'm getting something good. So, but yeah, let's. It even comes with everything, so it has the climate control holes as well. We're gonna have to put those on the other one, or onto this one. But yeah, let's get started on this. I don't think we have any time to waste, and yeah. So hopefully this is gonna be pretty easy, but we just gotta take this off, and then yeah, you're using this before. I mean, it's alright, but you gotta upgrade, man. You gotta upgrade. If it's gonna be your daily, I don't want to keep looking at my phone in the cup holder when I gotta look at maps. I want to see the maps right here. You know, maybe that could cause an accident. That's not good. But yeah, we're gonna get started, and then yeah, let's do it. Alright, a little trick. You gotta use a flathead screwdriver. On these right here, you gotta, right in the back, you can see that? You gotta push this little thing in with the flathead. If you don't do that, it's a freaking pain in the ass. I even put this glove on because my fingers were starting to hurt from trying to pull this thing off. But yeah, you don't make my mistake I did. And yeah, go from the back and do that. So, make it a whole lot easier. But we just got to take this one off now. I'm not even sure how to do that, but we'll figure it out. Alright, so apparently on this one, it's like the temperature sensor or something like that. Just pop the hose off. So it's pretty easy. But yeah, now we got to take the climate control. There's 4 screws. Just take them all out, and then we'll get the climate control out and put it into the new one. But yeah. And then yeah, we're gonna take off this old head unit right here. This one has the 4 screws as well. So yeah, just gonna unscrew them all, and then oh, well, I guess I lied. I guess there's 2 more screws right here and right here.
Guys, it's the moment of truth. I'm gonna turn my ignition on and see if we get anything. I plugged in everything, so hopefully it works. Okay, there we go. Now we just gotta set it up to our Bluetooth. So I'm gonna go here. Let's see. Okay. Settings. Turn on Bluetooth. And then I gotta go Bluetooth here. Link. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be 00000. There we go. I think we're set up. And yeah, I was watching some YouTube videos on it. If I go to home, I can go here. CarLink 2.0. CarPlay. I press use CarPlay on here. But yeah, we got CarPlay now. I don't want people knowing my exact location, but yeah, everything's working. I just gotta set this back up and we're gonna be fine. We're gonna get subs too, so. Well, I hope this, so far in this video, I hope this was a good tutorial. I try to make it as best as possible, like everything that was hard for me, I try to show you guys exactly how to get around that problem and everything. So I hope you guys can use this video and hope it helps you. But I'm really excited to get this all back together and yeah, just see how it looks and everything. So. Well, here we are, guys. I mean, she looks amazing. I'm gonna test the sound quality, everything like that. Get a little Maru. We're heading to a car meet right now. You know, we got the bro. Yo, and we gonna see some donuts and stuff. But I'm gonna make a little edit, so I hope you guys enjoy that shit. Yes, sir. Goodwill.